Yeah. Come on, babe. It's not the kids, though. We gotta do the adults first. It's not funny to them. You know what? I just said the adult version, which I believe it's harder to impress, obviously, I understand it. So let's go ahead and, can we get 2 more volunteers to join us? Do it. Adults? You're 18? I'll take you where to go. Come on out. We got one. Come on down, right? Hold my point now. Hold my point. Keep that down. You want to come on down? And you know what? Since we do have to really try to impress you, I'm going to go ahead and get some of that noise. And you come on down and join me. Let me get this thing. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, so not just 5, we're going to go for 6 out here. So Matthew, come on down here and join me. Pleasant surprise running into family out here. So typically at a school show we may go for 4, but we are no stranger to the entertainment world. We do know it's harder to impress the older you are, so you have now, I mean, you came out last, so now you get one of the most dangerous spots, either in the ends. So if we can squeeze in, I know we're all just meeting each other out here, so there we go there. Oh look, chivalry is not dead. There we go, gentlemen taking the dangerous spot. So, yes, we were messing with you with 3, but 6 is definitely pushing it to the limits, especially with a speed bump right there. I hope you remember that. Yeah, I don't know. You're the professional. So, Ben Wallace is good. Are you ready for this? Yeah, just in case anything happens, if loved ones are out here, or all of you friends out here, we can raise our hands and wave goodbye to our volunteers right now. Hopefully you live to see some backflips after this. So, all right, folks. Let's go ahead. We're gonna start this countdown from a higher number. Everybody, let's get it going backwards from 10, 9, 8, 7. Up and over. Make some noise. Ladies and gentlemen, for Ben Wallace, thank you so much, volunteers. You guys can go ahead and get on up. Thank you all so much. Thank you. You survived. So I'm gonna see just how high I can jump into the air. I'm gonna have somebody get on top of this ramp. Dave, do we have anybody pre-selected that you may know? I think we got Martin. He's one of the new founders of the company. So what better to have him initiated into the company than to risk his life in a big way. So we're gonna get Martin out here. He's gonna stand on the ramp, and it's really gonna motivate me to go very high. And he pays my paychecks. I definitely don't want to hit him on this one, right? It's okay. He can use a new hat. Maybe I'll go a little bit short on purpose. So I'm gonna hand the microphone over to Dave. He's gonna walk into this, and I'm gonna place you, Martin. So back on up to my arm, face that quarter, a little bit forward, towards the ramp. Keep going. There we go. That looks about right. Kind of an eyeball. It's not exact science.
All right, Martin, you ready for this? He's the money man, so he's like, I've never done this before. So we're gonna force him to stand up on top of there and get jumped over by Jared. Goss, make sure you get a picture of this. We're gonna need a picture of this one. So everybody, let's make some noise for Mr. Martin Ponce up here, getting ready to get jumped over, and we're gonna have to get. Look at that, he's giving Jared the business here. You better jump over me, but Martin. To make this more exciting, let's do this. Yes, there we go. All right, guys, we need to make a little bit of noise. Here comes Jared. Make some noise, get some fired up out here. Martin's getting jumped over for the first time ever in our company's history. Jared firing it up to the big ramp, making the turn. It's coming at him, getting up to the big ramp, up and over. Make some noise for Martin, guys, coming out here. That was a very scary moment for him. And let's hear it for Jared going big out here today. So, are you guys ready to call it quits, or do you want to see round number 2? Some big stunts here to finish up our show. Round 2, we're gonna go round 2. So we're gonna need some music pumped up from our sound guy and get some energy going, guys, for round 2, the biggest tricks in the show. Here comes Ben, getting a little bit of speed up to the big ramp, making that sure with a big X down. Yeah. Stylish trick right there. Jared following up behind him with that huge Superman. Love that trick right there. Here comes Ben making that huge no-hander on the quarter pipe. Tail whip in the box jump. Jared making that turn back over to the box jump, doing a 360 tail whip. What do you guys think? Make a little noise for him. We're coming down. Comes Ben making the turn back up to the box jump, 360, look back. So stylish right there. Jared Everwine coming at you. Double tail whip. Man, what a run. Let's hear it for him, guys. Sending it out here today. Now, how many of you guys want to see a grand finale out here today? What do you guys want to see for the grand finale? A what? 1 backflip or 2 backflips? So you guys want the double whammy backflip grand finale. We're gonna line them up, guys, and the more noise you make, the bigger the jumps. Here we go, grand finale time. Make some noise. Ben and Jared coming in a train. Ben making the turn, Jared right behind him. Huge flip and a huge flip. Flip to flip. Let's hear it for him, guys. Going upside down. And here we go again. Make a little bit more noise. Ben coming at you with a big backflip again and another one. Flip to flip to flip to flip. Let's hear it for our riders out here, guys. Going big today. One more time, guys. Ben Wallace from England. Jared Everwine from Riverside. We are the Go Green Live Clean BMX show, brought to you by Bar Locker, world's most unforgettable bike lock. I want to say thank you to the event out here today for having us out here, and we appreciate it, guys. Take the ball, shake it up, take the ball, break it up.
I'm getting mine. Check, check, 1, 2, 2, 2, hey, hey, hey. 1, 2, 2, 2, check, check. 1, 2, 2, 2, hey, hey. Here's the one. 1, 2, 2, 2, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 2. Let's go. Well, you have a brother over there. Now, we got a phone call from the Ramones. They said we really like the track. Ramones here. How cool.